All right, this is a quick tutorial for challenge 3. Now for challenge 3, we're going back to the challenge 1 course because the robot still needs to go exactly 48 inches. However, rather than just going, the robot needs to wait until it hears us make some type of noise. Typically, we'll have students like clap their hands. That's loud enough where the robot hears it and then drives forward. The challenge says that your challenge is to use your program from the straight ahead challenge and incorporate a sound sensor. You will set the robot down and activate the robot by clapping your hands. When the robot hears you clap your hands, it will drive forward exactly 48 inches. So we should already know how many rotations it took us to go 48 inches. So we've got this block that we could edit to be the same as challenge 1. Now, for challenge 2 to be successful, we need to wait until it hears us. So you're going to need this piece of code under the orange sensor, all right? And it's this hourglass form, and it says wait. So I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to drop it in place before my move block. And we're going to set this not for a period of time, but I am going to go and set it for the NXT sound sensor and compare the decibels. All right, so it's the top couple of options. Now, basically what this is saying is that before it moves, the robot is going to wait until it hears something greater than some number. Now, this is decibels, which is a measure of sound. So we want to set this fairly high. Normally about 80 is high enough. Basically what this program will do is wait until it hears something greater than 80 decibels, and then it's going to go ahead and move forward. Now, I'm not going to give you the answers here because you'll have to copy that from your first challenge. The only other thing I would advise is make sure your sound sensor is plugged in to port number 1, because that's what the program is looking for it in. If this isn't working, double check and make sure that your sound sensor is plugged into port number 1, and each port is labeled on the robot itself. Once you get your program done, download it to your robot, test it out. If you're successful, have either myself or the substitute sign off on challenge 3. Good luck.